What do you think it is? Hmm? Oh. Parrot headset. Ah, wow. It's Bluetooth. Parrot. He bought this in Ginza Apple Store. And then when you swipe to left or right, change the music, and then swipe up, and then going to volume or down. The other one, I don't know. And it costs 38,000 yen. But yeah. Oh, it's a wireless. It's a wireless headphone. Oh, wow. How can you remove it? Oh, oops. Oh, okay. So you can. Oh, oh wow. Cool. God. Nothing. Okay. What's this one? Is this? This one is the battery. Oh. Parrot Zik. Parrot Zik is a card. This is the pouch. That's it. Oh, we need to remove the back. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. Oh. battery. You need to put the battery here. Okay. Like this. Okay. Like that. And then, oh, it's magnet. Look. Okay. Wow. Oh. What's that? Ah, okay. Come on, let's look at the manual first. The instruction. To increase the volume, swipe your finger upward to touch sensitivity panel. Sensitive panel. This is sensor, the next, previous, and then the music. It's all about like this. And then pause if you put it down. Oh wow. Pause and play. To pause the music, take off the headset. To start playing again, put the headset back on. Oh. Powered audio set on. Active noise cancellation. This also have an equalizer. Then telephone. Receiving a call. An incoming call is indicated by a ringtone. If you want to accept the call, tap the touch sensitive panel. If you want to refuse the call, press and hold the touch sensitivity for 2 seconds. Oh wow. Ooh. I can't wait. Wait a minute. I need to charge it. I want to use it. Come on, wait. So I need computer to charge it. It's only USB. Yeah. I just put here to charge it. Oh.